Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the Roblox error code 403 authentication failed while you are playing the Roblox game. So let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is you need to make a right click at the start button, and here in the list of options you can find task manager, so you just have to go ahead and click on that. Now here in the Task Manager window, simply maximize this, and in the search bar, simply search for Roblox. You'll find Roblox Game Client. Now make a right click and you have to select End Task. Now once you have completely closed Roblox from here, then you can just simply relaunch the game and see if the problem has been fixed. For the next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar, and here you need to type Control Panel. Click on it. Now change this into category, or view this into category. Now you have to click on Network and Internet. Then here you'll find Network and Sharing Center. Now click on your Wi-Fi name, which is hyperlinked. Then here you'll have this button Properties. And here you'll find this option Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. And here you'll find another window with the option use the following DNS server addresses, so click on that. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses, which is a very great DNS. So for the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK, and then simply close this windows. For the next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Then you have to click on Run as Administrator so that the command will work. Now type in here these commands. First command is NATSH space winsock space reset. It's NATSH space winsock space reset, hit enter. Next command IP config space /flush DNS. It's ipconfig space /flush DNS, hit enter. Now successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And if the issue keeps persisting in your case, then we can reinstall the application. So click on the start button, go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on apps, installed apps. Here simply search for Roblox, and you'll find Roblox. Simply click on the three dots, select uninstall, and then uninstall once again. So if you have more Roblox games installed on your Windows, and you just have to simply uninstall each. So simply click on the three dots and select uninstall, and then uninstall once again. So we need to reinstall it, to simply open any of the browser that you have on your Windows. I'm going to open the Microsoft Edge browser by searching for that in the Windows search bar. Type here Roblox, download, hit enter, and you'll find the official website of Roblox, which is from www.roblox.com. You just have to simply click on that, and here you just have to simply sign in with your account, or if you can go back to this site, you'll have this option too, www.roblox.com, download Roblox. Click on that and simply click on this button, download Windows app, and the installer file will be downloaded. Click on that and close the browser. And this will reinstall Roblox for you, so you just have to wait for that until the installation process has been completed or has been successful, and you just need to sign in again into your Roblox account and continue enjoying the game. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.